You may or may not know that you can get the Tesla Bioweapons Defense HEPA filter for less than £100. Here's how to install it. The product link is in the description. So to start off with, you need to take all the trim off around the front trunk. So you start from the back and work round to the sides and then finally work round to the front. This allows you then to take the front liner out. So once you've done this, you need to take the rubber seal off and then take some more plastic trim off behind. Once you have done this, you can then take the carpet liner out for the front trunk, and you just need to disconnect these cables here and then it should just pop straight out. Once you've taken the carpet out, then you need to undo all of these bolts to get the liner out. Now you can use just a normal ratchet wrench, we just use one of these to be quicker. Finally, take this front piece of trim off and then you can lift the liner out. You should be left with your bare engine bay, if you can call it an engine bay. Once you have taken the housing off the back of the liner, you can then slot the HEPA filter in place and put it back onto the liner. And make sure to do all those bolts up again. Once you've done this, you can now reinstall it and do everything you did to undo it in a reverse order. Don't forget to reconnect the wires you disconnected to take the carpet out. And that is it. Once you've reassembled everything, you've got your HEPA filter for less than £100. Yet again, the product link is in the description if you want to purchase one. And if you enjoyed this video and would like more Tesla content, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, as that is very helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.